Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So the folks at Zibra AI have just announced and launched Zibra GDS, and this is their geometry data structure technology that allows for compression of large geometry caches which can be rendered right inside of Unreal Engine. Now we already know that the folks at Zibra did produce the Zibra VDB, something that we've mentioned on the channel before, which is pretty amazing. And the way Zibra VDB works is great, as this simply allows for the compression of VDB files that can be used in various workflows and also projects, from virtual production to gaming, films, and so much more. We also talked about the fact that this has been super optimized for both speed and quality, as if you simply take a look at the comparison sheet that they have here, from 1x compression to 20x compression, 40x compression, we can see that the data size from the original all the way to the compressed one are massive. And the same technology is what they've brought to Zibra GDS, which is their geometry data structure tool. And this also runs in real time. So the idea behind this is to actually handle something that Nanite didn't touch on, which has to do with geometry sequences that runs in real time. They've actually outlined certain things that you need to know, as Zibra GDS is their latest addition to their suite of industry-leading rendering and data optimization technology. This is a high-performance GPU-friendly multi-attribute geometric compression / decompression / rendering solution. It is designed for storing and rendering extremely high-quality simulation and animation across the board, ranging from applications that deals with real-time cinematics, virtual production, location-based entertainment, 3D motion graphics, VFX, games, digital twins, and machine learning. And unlike Zibra VDB, which is available for Houdini and also Unreal Engine, Zibra GDS is currently available for Unreal Engine only. And yes, we know that Unreal Engine has a way of handling geometry caches, but the way Zibra VDB handles this is faster. And from the examples that they did show is what mentioning that Zibra handles meshes way faster and also translates them way faster than what you have with Unreal Engine, making it extremely useful for anyone that is thinking about bringing simulation from various DCC tools into Unreal Engine. So whether you're doing your simulation with Houdini or any other simulation tool, you can simply bring those into Unreal Engine fully compressed with all of the data stored and ready to go, which is absolutely amazing. And the cool thing is all of these are running in real time. And of course, for those who like to read up on this particular one, maybe you like to see some of the pipelines that they've built or things that you can use this for, you can actually come through and check it out. Like we mentioned, this can be used for both visual effects, games, and also digital twin. And it is beautiful. This also has a whole machine learning thing which is going on. And for those who like to play with some of the sample files, you can simply come through and see some of the Alembic files that they've done. And so you can actually come through and try them out. So these also retain the attributes of each of the files that they've converted, which includes, position, the normal, the UVs, the velocity, and also the color. And we've actually taken the liberty to open one of these inside Unreal Engine. So with this loaded inside Unreal Engine, you can see what we have here. If we just simply go ahead and fire up the playback button, let's just do that. You can see that we have this. I'm just going to go all the way up, and you can see the nice cool simulation running. And this is running really quick and in real time right inside of the engine. And for those who like to try this out, currently there is a free version that is right here, and this is for educational purposes. On the other hand, they've got the personal, indie, and enterprise. Now if you click on the personal version, it brings you to where you can actually make pay, and then you'll be able to start using this. On the other hand, if you like to get the free one, you can simply click on free. This will ask you to enter your email, and then they would send you a request for you to be able to get that license. Although this takes a couple of business days, so it is something that you need to keep in mind if you're thinking about getting it. On the other hand, once you install this as an add-on, just like you install every other add-on, once you have this add-on installed, if you go over to tools, go all the way down here to where you have your Zibra GDS, you will be able to import by simply compressing your Alembic files. And I would like to believe that this would compress your Alembic files the exact same way the Zibra VDB compresses Alembic files. And the folks at Zibra have been working hard on a few things. And some of the things that they've been working hard includes the frame interpolation, which is a new temporal compression algorithm. They're also working on a particle compression system, which is also available, and this is for particles. And this one that they've also just announced, as this would definitely help anyone that is working with Alembic or USD files to have that compressed file that they can work easily with various pipelines and disciplines. Hopefully, this makes its way to other DCC tools, as it's only available for Unreal Engine at this moment. This has been considered to be about 5 to 10 times faster than what you have with your typical Unreal Engine caching and up to 80 to 93% smaller data footprint compared to Unreal Engine. So this is it for those who like to read up on this, or possibly you'd like to see some of the real-time tools that the folks at Zibra has put together. Then links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. And for those who like to see the Zibra VDB that we've talked about previously, I'm also going to link that one in the description. And of course, if you'd like to download free VDB files, we've already talked about the folks at Yanga and also some other creators. Links to those will be in the description. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.